Welcome to Grasshopper Labs. In this video, we're going to be adding specific items to our inbound freight manifest. So what we want to do is either use our global search or isolate the order in our orders grid. I'm going to click into the order that I want to take action on. And now we can see that we have numerous pieces on this order. If I'm going to manifest one or two of these pieces, I can click my order actions gear, scroll down to add to freight manifest. Once I click in, I can determine which piece or pieces I'm expecting to receive. Hit next. If I have an existing truck for this day, I can click into that truck and add it. If not, I can create a new truck, select the building in which this is going to be received in, and then the day that the freight is expecting to arrive. I can hit save, and now we can see that the freight has been manifested for the day that I selected, and I am ready to process this in the warehouse. And this is how you add items to an inbound freight manifest.